what we're going to do is we're going to start at the one end, we're going to back stitch and go forward. Now we're going to go to the end and back stitch again at 5/8. Needle in, press your foot down, push the back button, go back. Okay, oh, we should be at 1. Everything else is right. Okay. Now we're going to sew to the needle. Take the pin out. Continue sewing. Go to the needle, stop, take the pin out, and continue sewing. Sew all the way to the edge. And then back stitch. And that one is done. Pull it out. Cut your threads. Trim these threads. Front and back. Add that to your nest. Okay, now you're going to do a 4/8 seam. 4/8 is just slightly closer. So here's your 5/8. 4/8 is just slightly closer to the center. Needle in, press your foot down, go back again, and forward. Get ready to back stitch. Needle up to the highest point, press your foot up. Now you've done your 5/8 and your 4/8. There are threads coming away from the material. The material is fraying. In order to stop that, we need to do a seam finish. So what we're going to do is a zigzag. I want you to do a number 5 zigzag because that's the one that goes like that. Okay, so it stitches like that. So we'll change it to a number 5. It tells you to do a needle position of 3, so that's the smallest one we're going to do. And then we're going to do a stitch length of 1 because that's what it tells us to do. Okay, now what you do is you split your seam, so split those 2 pieces, turn one over, and you're going to fit your presser foot in. Okay, needle in. Remember to back stitch. And then go forward. Ready to back stitch. Needle up, press your foot up, pull your material out, trim your threads, and that's what you should see all the way to the edge on both sides. Trim this, and you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So now we're just going to turn it over, flip it. We're going to put this threads to the back, spread the material again, press your foot down, kneel in, back stitch. Okay, I want you to take a note of a couple of things. At no point does the stitch go into the center seam. They're by themselves. You've done your seam finish on both sides. Remember to trim your threads.